Hi guys! So for today, we're going to mukbang the shirataki pasta. And I made shirataki spaghetti. Here you go. Ta-da! And this is what we're going to mukbang today. Grabe, ang sarap po. Look at it. Oh my gosh. This is so good. It's so amazing guys. Ang sarap-sarap. Okay. It tastes like fettuccine talaga. Grabe. The consistency of this pasta is so good. It tastes like pho noodles. It's so good pa rin. Oh my gosh. The way you cook the spaghetti, it's not overcooked. It's not undercooked. It's just perfect. Sarap talaga, promise. Oh my gosh. So amazing, guys. Look at this hotdog pa. Grabe, ang sarap. Sarap niya. Sarap ng sauce, sarap ng pasta, wala masabi. I don't even feel like I'm dieting. It's so good. Sarap. And guys, ubos na. Ang sarap po. Sarap talaga ng shirataki spaghetti natin.